Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. On today's episode, I want to show you guys the three cars that we have for sale. I want to start by this Fleetline, even though I already showed you guys this car on a previous video that I uploaded this week. It's a 1951 Chevy Fleetline. Originally, it is a Power Glide car. It came with a Power Glide transmission. It has the dual exhaust with phantom headers. You have your trunk guard in the rear. Over here you have the rain gutters. This is so that when it is raining, you're able to lower the window a little bit and water doesn't go inside the car, but you can still get some fresh air. Very nice original interior. Power Glide transmission. Very nice car. The interior was reupholstered in the car, including the door panels. A very nice feature that this car has is a more modern automatic transmission. It has a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission with an open drive rear end from a 1955 Chevy Bel Air, but they kept the original 235 engine, the original 6-in-line, with the 1-barrel carburetor filter, oil filter, and as you can see, it has been converted to 12 volts with a more modern alternator. If you're interested, call us 305-783-0755. The car has no rust at all. Next one is a 1955 Oldsmobile 98. It's a 2-door hardtop. Very similar to the one in the front. The one in the front is a 1955 Oldsmobile 88. If you don't know the difference, I'm going to tell you right now. Starting with the trunk. On this one, as you can see, the trunk is a little bit shorter on this area. Like the trunk lid is the same on both cars, the 88 and the 98, but the big difference is on this panel. But if you notice on this one, the 88 was 4 inches. And this one is 8 inches. So this gap is double the gap on the 98 compared to the 88. Also, you have a chrome in the center going all the way down from top to bottom. It says 98 in the center of the trunk. The tail lights are a little bit longer with a chrome piece on each side of the light, and also this molding here. Bumpers are the same. Hubcaps on the 98 are a little bit different. You have the center spinner, whereas on the regular 88, you don't have the center spinners. Another major difference on the 88 and the 98, if you look at the paint combination, chrome that divides the paint on the 88 is right on the rear passenger window. On the 98 is on the cowl vent window, right here on the driver's side. So the 88 has it here, and the 98 has it on the door. There you go one more time. That way you can see the biggest difference. All three of these cars are in excellent conditions, no rust, and all three cars have the original interior, well, with the exception of the Fleetline, that the interior was redone and it looks much better than the original type of interior. But the Oldsmobiles, both of them, have the original engines, original transmissions. The engine on both of these cars is a 324 Rocket V8, 324 cubic inches. Both have the same engine. The radiator was Record. It has a power steering system, power brakes. It has power windows. It has power seats. That one doesn't have power windows. It only has power steering. This is the interior for the 98 model. Original door panels, window switches. The dash is padded on both of the Oldsmobiles. Very nice interior, nice headliner with the chrome bars from side to side. It's a nice car. Both of these cars are very nice. So once again, all three cars are for sale. You can give us a call if you're interested in buying any of the three. My number is 783-0755. We're located in the beautiful city of Miami, Florida. We can help you with transportation and shipping. Guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to follow us all over social media on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and obviously here on YouTube as Generation Old School. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.